Answer with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I bring you one of the most requested and revered instant noodles in the world. Indomie mi goreng. This is a big deal, folks. Like Indomie? Never had it? If you've never had this? Oh, dude. Really? You haven't, yeah, you need to have this. Indomie is one of my absolute favorite instant noodles of all time. And people get on my case because it's not on my top 10 list. Like, Indomie's the best, Indomie's the best, Indomie's the best. It's like, I get ya. I love this stuff. But you have to understand, I've tried over 3,800 varieties. Actually, I believe yesterday I did review number 3,850. This is episode 1,004 of this show. So I've tried a lot of different things. So, but I do love me some Indomie. We got fried onion and the seasoning base. And then we have the trifecta of messiness. From here we got seasoned oil. In the middle we have sweet soy sauce, and on this side we have sweet chili sauce. I think that's all we got in here. Okay. It used to be different. They used to also have a spicy powder, which I really miss that. Spicy powder is important. And what's her name? Nunuk Nurani? Nunuk Nurani? I'm sure I'm pronouncing her name wrong, and I absolutely apologize for that. But she was the spice mixer for Indomie. And she just passed away. My condolences to everyone over at Indomie CBP. That's a shame. She brought flavors to the world of Indonesia that were just like so wonderful, and everybody needs to understand how good they are. In particular, rendang. Oh my god. Love that. Time for our quote of the day from Momo Fukuendo Speaks, kind of the Ferengi rules of acquisition. Acquisition for instant noodles. Number 191. The more employees there are who are concerned about the company, the healthier the company will be. I can get with that. Yeah. If you want the company to do good, you're probably gonna do good for the company. You could say that too. All about the company. Went out walking for a bit today. Came home figuring that I had like some video to edit. I already edited all that video. I just think there's one that I just haven't posted yet. But I thought I had a mukbang to edit and another video to edit, but I guess I did, so. Yeah. But my wife had an appointment at 8 a.m. out of town. So she was up at 6, so I got up at 3:30, and I was back by 5:30. Yeah. But that's neither here nor there, other than saying that she's also got an appointment at, I think she'll be home by like 8 in the evening. No, she'll be done at 8. So, long day. Long day. Nice side of it is it's a mellow day for school. There's not much school. Like he has 2 classes, and those are done. So I'm free and clear now. But hoping to crank these out real quick and maybe talk to my brother. That'd be nice. Yeah. Yeah. My brother. I think it's bright. That ring light. If we go like this, you can probably see it. But it definitely works, I think. On the videos that I've done, I've looked at it and they've looked definitely like something's easy. Things are easier to see. I want to send a shout out to my buddy the Fat Hipster. You should go type that into your YouTube machine and go check out his channel. That, and you should join the Ramen Raider Facebook group. It's just called Instant Noodles, the Ramen Raider. And you should also go and check out, there's one called, what is it, Ramen Junkies? Go to that one too. That's my buddy Victor. He's a cool dude. He does a lot of interesting videos. He does videos about like home improvement and this and that and the other thing. Not like the show. I don't know, maybe he has. That'd be weird though. I mean, that'd be alright, but I don't like that. What's his name? The guy who played the main character in the show. Because then he did this other show, and he's kind of a jerk. I think in real life the guy's kind of a jerk. I'm not sure. But it's like, I really liked Dennis Miller when he was on Saturday Night Live, and then it turns out he's like freaking ultra hardcore conservative talk show host. I'm like, I know he was smarmy, but come on. We'll go with this one. I'm gonna use this plate today for our Indomie. So, this is how I make Indomie. I hope this is how you make Indomie, because this is how you make Indomie. Also, I've had this before. People are like, dude, you need to try Indomie. It's like, if you gotta understand, and it's like, you know, most people aren't like as knee deep in the whole instant noodle thing as I am. Like globally, unless you're like simply an instant noodle distributor. And I think I pretty much know almost all the people that are like so hardcore on instant noodles as I am. Well, I shouldn't say that. Maybe I don't. But, yeah. Oh yeah. Everybody who's had as many instant noodles as I has tried Indomie. Because it's a mainstream brand. It's the stuff that's out of the way, that's hard to get. The stuff you really gotta hunt for. You know, let's make sure you can see what's going on, although most of you probably know exactly what's going on here. There you go. One thing, and I didn't do it this time, but one thing you should note, so this is the sweet soy sauce. The ketchup. Is it ketchup? Or ketchup? I think it's I want to say it's ketchup, because bonchabe. Oh. But anyways, if you warm it up a little bit, it comes out much easier. It's got the consistency of molasses, and boy is it sticky. I cut up the triple sachet to attempt not to make as big of a mess. It's just kind of messy either way. If you really want to do this stuff justice, get some instant noodles, get some seasoning, get some you can get this the sweet soy sauce and the chili sauce. You can find those all over the place. Just hit me up, and if you want to know info about that, that's easy. There's one called Bango, or Bango, it has like a toucan on it, I think. And then there's like ABC, or what's that other one? There's one that I really like called Chabe. That's by ABC. And then there's Dua Belibus. There's more than that too. I mean, there's like, they're just spicy sambal, spicy sweet sambal sauces. But if you're lucky enough like me and you have a wonderful place you can go and get Indonesian stuff, I mean, 99 Ranch has a pretty decent selection, but we actually have an actual Indonesian grocery. We've got Warung Jajanan. I'm hoping they're still open. Last time I talked with the proprietor, Jonathan, it sounded like that might not be the case. I'm hoping that was okay that I said that, but hopefully all is well. I hope you're doing well, man. Sounded like he was dealing with some really tough times. I wouldn't be surprised if COVID just like was horrible for them. But then again, you know, they got takeout, so. And the food that he makes, wow, just spectacular. But yeah. That is Indomie. Now, it might not look like much. It's got sweet, it's got salty, it's got spicy. And it's wonderful. The first instant noodle that I was really hooked on was Nissan chicken ramen. With a little chicken on the label. Well, the second one that I was hooked on was this, but it was the satay version. I love that stuff. I haven't had that in a while. I don't even know if you can get it in the US anymore. Because they got rid of the rendang here, and that really bites, because that stuff is so good. Oh boy. Look at that, Indomie. The sun's coming out for you. Let's try to get this hanging out. Okay, I need to make sure this is looking good. Okay. Now, we're gonna go like that. Oh, what else do we need? There is nothing that goes better with Indomie. Oh, come on, don't be mean. Don't be mean to me. This egg came out really nice. Look at that. That's a perfect egg. You dig into that yolk and it's just gonna explode everywhere. Ah. And we have some fried onion, which is going to top our beef. I think probably a more normal thing to add to this would be chicken. I don't think there's a lot of cows in Indonesia. But I mean, they got beef stuff over there. Not to say of the quality of people or stuff that they have in Indonesia, I'm just saying that there's not a lot of square footage. It's like 1,000 small islands, so big, huge cattle ranches are probably not all that predominant in Indonesia. So that means, but then again, you got all these people, they probably could just get it from Australia. You get a lot of people going to Bali. That's like a vacation spot. And I know people that vacation in Indonesia all the time. What up to my buddy Paul from Western Australia? No, he's in Melbourne now. That's right. That's right. At least I think he is. Alright. Come on. See, I swear, it's giving me fits. How's that work? Ah, too far. It's just there's nothing I can do. The delay is just so hard to work with. Can we do this? A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Just a little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, all right, we are. I apologize, it's ridiculous. All right, Rotato, do your stuff. New song, new song, new song. No, not reggae. All right. Indomie. I don't make this stuff enough, man. It's good. It's really good. And I sincerely hope that if you haven't tried it, this will make you want to go get some and give it a try. This is an absolutely beautiful thing. Yay for Indonesia. And hey, we got another one tomorrow. The third one I'm doing today. A favorite of many. Easy to find here in the States. This is Sapporo Ichiban Chow Mein. So with that, this has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Like, subscribe, all that crap. Have a good one and bye.